In this video, we'll show you how you can easily replace the back cover of your Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro. Replacing the back cover is the easiest repair of the Redmi Note 10 Pro. Allow about 30 minutes for it. You will need the following tools. You can find all tools for your repair in our online store at iDoc.eu. We've put the links in the info box. Switch off your Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro before the repair to avoid potential short circuits. To do so, press and hold the power button until a menu appears on the screen. Tap on Power Off. Your smartphone will now shut down within a few seconds. Remove the SIM tray by pressing into the small opening next to it with a pointed tool. Pull the SIM tray completely out of the case frame and put it aside. The Redmi Note 10 Pro is opened via the back cover. It is made of glass and heavily glued. Please note that your phone won't be waterproof anymore after opening it. In order to open it, you first have to heat the glue of the back cover. To do so, run a hot air device, such as a hairdryer, evenly over the back cover's edge for a few minutes. Once the adhesive has warmed up sufficiently, you can apply a suction cup and pull it upwards to create a narrow gap between the back cover and the screen unit. Insert a flat, stable tool to widen the gap. We can recommend the iFlex for this, since it can be inserted particularly well due to its sharp edges. However, since you can also quickly scratch something with the sharp edges, you should switch to a plastic tool such as the iPlastics as soon as possible. Run the tool along the edges of the back cover, detaching it from the rest of the case piece by piece. Put flat plastic pegs in the loosened areas at regular intervals to prevent the glue from rebonding. Reheat the edge of the back cover in between when you notice that the glue is getting solid again. Once the back cover is completely loosened, you can take it off. All tools for this repair can be found in our online store at iDoc.eu. Once you have removed all seals and protective films from the new back cover, you can attach it to your device. To make sure it lies flat, you should check that the remains of the old glue do not form lumps on the case frame. Align the new back cover over the screen unit and press it down along the frame. To ensure that the glue bonds properly, you should briefly heat the edge with hot air and weigh it down for a few minutes. The last step is to reinsert the SIM tray. Make sure that you insert it the right way around. You've done it! The back cover is replaced. I hope your Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro looks shining new again. If this tutorial helped you, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next time! You can find high-quality tools, spare parts and accessories in our online store. iDoc. Everything for your smartphone. Find more helpful videos here.